Hello students, how are you? I know you are safe in your home. COVID-19 is attacked all over the world and our all activities is stopped. But our Honorable Prime Minister start our exploration Amar Ghare Amar School. So we are part of this and start online classes. To welcome, first I introduce myself. I am Parveen Akhtar, Senior Assistant Teacher, Rahamganj Adarsh Secondary School, Bakherganj, Borishal. So students, today I am discuss class 10 English second paper narration or speech. So students, narration speech. narration के हमरा दुई भाग भाग करते हैं, एक डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट. So students, what is speech? It is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. Direct speech have two parts. We saw in this chart. He said to me, I write a letter. He said to me, we saw comma, and this sentence, I write a letter, full stop. He said to me, এই অংশটুকু হলো reporting verb, and I write a letter, this is reported speech. Reporting verb have two parts. He, এটা হলো subject, me, object. Reporting verb এর দুইটা আছে, একটা হলো subject, object. Let us know the basic of speech narration. How to change verb from direct to indirect. Direct, if we am is are, indirect was where. Was where, had been, shall, will, should, would, have, has, did, had plus verb past participle or V3. Can, may, indirect, could, might, must, have to, has to, ought to, had to. Present indefinite, past indefinite, past indefinite, past perfect. We will see how to change verbs direct to indirect. Here another start to show how to change adverb. Direct, indirect. Now, indirect then. Tomorrow, the next day, tonight, that night, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, last night, the previous night, last week, the previous week, here, there, this, that, this, those. So students, we are see another chart, how to subject, object and possessive of direct speech change. Viewers, reported speech, we saw I, reporting verb he, she, we, he, she, they, you, me, us, if, I or we, my, his, her, our, their, your, my or your, he, she, they. No sense. This is the basic of knowledge narrations. Now students, we know basic speech, tense, verb, adverb and subject, object, possessive of direct speech sense. So now I tell you sentence. Sentence, you know sentence. 5 kinds of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamative. Let's student. First you saw how to convert assertive sentence into indirect speech. Here you show subject plus verb, to plus object. এখানে here you show subject plus told plus object. That reported speech with desirable sense. Here desirable sense means you must tense, verb, adverb and subject, object, possessive. So viewers, if the reported verb in the present or future tense, there will be no sense of the reported speech. Here we say reporting verb, he said to me. যদি says to me হতো, or you will say I writes the letter, here no sense, and universal truth will not be sense in indirect speech. So viewers, we are follow in this, we are know the narrations part 1. Thank you everybody.